Okay, so today we're talking about these scone lights. These things are awesome, you guys. Look at this sleek design. They're very lightweight. Inside, you'll get two of these, which is awesome. It comes with these charger things too. You just plug it into the bottom there. It also has a back that looks like this. There it is on. Comes with two remotes as well, some batteries, and then just other accessories. The batteries work really well. There's on and off switch there, so you just turn it on. You can take this and make it more of a yellow or more of a white, which the white looks really cool. I love that. It also has a 30-minute, 60-minute, and 120-minute timer. And yeah, look how cool that looks. And then you can brighten it or make it dimmer. So like dim it, you can dim it and then you can brighten it as well. Obviously I showed you the yellow to the white ratio. You can also just click yellow, white to change the color of it. Okay, so it comes with this, right? And what happens is it just slides up in there. You put this on the wall and then you can just hang screws that it also comes with. Okay, so I went ahead and put it up so you guys could see.